Hi guys, it's great to see you again, and in this video I will show you how to build this very simple FPV rover. It's a very good beginner project and it's also low price. So if you haven't checked out the video on how to modify those servos that they can turn 360 degree or continuous rotation, then check it out up here, or I will also link it down in the description. Yeah, come on, just build one, it's not taking long. Thanks for watching. I hope you will build your own rover, and please leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more of this, and I'll see you soon. Bye!